Do you want to come with me? Want to get the suitcase? No, it's going to lie down there so I can't close? Is that your way of stopping me from leaving? Is just get on the suitcase? I like it. It's a good plan. It's a good plan. Oh, I don't want to leave my baby. She's going to stay here now just so I won't go. Right? You gonna sit there so I won't have to go bye-bye? You gonna save me? Oh, she's so adorable. Like, I can't even tell you how much I love my cat. She's just so cute. And she's so lovable. I don't know, I love her. That's all that matters, Annabelle. I love you. Just look how cute she is. Look how small. She's actually big, but look how small she looks. She's so cute. Hey guys, so I'm currently getting ready to go. Am I upset? Very much. Am I going to complain about it right now? No, that's when I actually get there. So right now, I'm getting everything ready. My suitcase is packed. I just need to get my computer and stuff ready. Oh, sorry, my dad walked in. Okay, let's see. Where's my computer bag? Oh, there it is, behind me, guys. Oh. Oh, sorry, guitar. Okay. Computer bag is found. Okay. Can I just, I have food I have to eat. I gotta pack and I gotta leave in a couple minutes, but I want to eat my toast. So, food first.
I won't drop that off.
On to airport.
Why would we at the airport?
So that's my presents over the next week. So I got it in the car. I was rushing to go, so I got in the car, like you saw. And the other car you saw me in, which one was really, really dark, but then my plane landed, and I actually came to Vision School. They had to drive me here. I get picked up to come here, so I'm just Anyway, so that's my room. This is usually the room I always get, just because. Yes, it has a fan. I needed it to sleep, so they got it. I'm sharing a room with a friend I know, actually. You see her pictures on my Instagram. Her name is Glenda. She's actually really cool, and she's the only reason I'm here. If she wasn't here, I would have a bigger fright than I did. I tried not to go, but I had to. But it's not that bad. But the week hasn't actually started. It's Monday morning. We're supposed to stay up 6:45. It's that now. I was up earlier. So yeah. I don't know how the week's gonna go. Hasn't actually started yet. It starts in. Where's the fuck my phone go? Somewhere, Pinkies. Oh, okay. It starts in 8 minutes. I just went over it. Oh shit. I gotta go. So hell begins in 8 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
He's ready to roll.
Stuff he does, no matter where we go. Really happens when you're in the crowd. It's like, or not every other person.
It's a given.
The 17th went to France, we're all sitting there, but let's off the tower.
Do what?
Jump on the get a squirrel, so it's like,
Oh my god.
somebody calls, burn. Sure enough, 4 mile away, he's getting arrested. What do we do? It's like, we're the rest of the day. Tomorrow.
Interesting trip. He's a daredevil.
Man, he's the oldest one here. But we're all starting to get that way. We're all 40. And just last year, he married. He's in high school.
siège devant vous et que les
So she had to do that. Because he's on the street next to me. Yes, shut up. Sneaks in my door. Truck just stripped the roof. It's that truck.
Crash is like
you in the meadow. And you worked so hard that you knew you wouldn't settle. It's like, something big I feel.
Hey guys, so I'm home now. It's been a really long week and I hated it, but I'm never going back, so I guess I'm okay. I'm gonna go because I'm on Skype right now, but I had to mute it to finish this, and I'm gonna go back on Skype. I'm on Skype with my best friend, so. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed my hell experience. I'll explain more about it in the next video, and explain to you about all the torture that was happening. And what some things I found out about my eyes. See, like my eye right here? See? Oh, never mind. We'll look at the camera. Okay, so I have a lot of information for you, but you'll have to wait. Goodbye.